Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings, open the Settings app and go straight to Wallpaper. Once there, tap Add New Wallpaper or choose New Wallpaper to begin. Make sure the image you want is already in Photos or Files. You cannot create a wallpaper from scratch here. This method ensures system-level control of lock and home screen options, so choose the exact image now and proceed. We'll adjust crop and effects next. You now crop, position, and pick effects. Pinch to zoom and drag the image to frame what you want. This ensures important detail isn't cut off. Then toggle still, perspective, or live photo. Perspective moves with motion, still is static. If depth is detected, you can enable depth effect for layered look. Finally, tap Set and choose lock screen, home screen, or both. Doing this here writes the change into iOS wallpaper settings. You finish by tapping Done to apply the wallpaper. Once applied, look at both screens to confirm placement. If the image appears cropped incorrectly or the effect is missing, repeat the crop step and try a different image format. Hike versus JPEG can behave differently. If effects still fail, restart the iPhone and check display and brightness settings for motion reduction. Make sure Reduce Motion is off if you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.